122% APY, 7,100% APY, 250% APY, heck, over 1,000,000,000% APY. How might you ask, are numbers like this even possible? Well, as a general rule of thumb, the higher the APY, the riskier the pool. Most of us know this, but with some proven strategies that we've shared with you in our passive income strategy videos, you can really earn easily 3-digit APYs without too much risk, or at least with a pretty reasonable amount of risk. And to be honest, these DeFi strategies can be a little complex if you're completely new to crypto, or if maybe you need a little bit of extra motivation to get started. But really, this is where YLD.app comes in. It's an app specifically on a mission to make crypto passive income easy and for everyone. The question is, does it really offer stablecoin APY to the tune of double what Binance Earn does? And even more importantly, is it safe? Stay tuned and find out, guys. We are exploring YLD.app in this video. Okay, first and foremost, YLD.app is a digital wealth platform that lets anyone manage their digital assets in a simple and secure way. You can use the platform as a web app on your PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Dedicated apps for Android and iOS are going to launch very soon. With its intuitive interface, you can visualize traditional and cryptocurrency investment portfolios. And the platform enables anyone to earn market-leading rates on their digital assets at the touch of a button. It's also important to mention that most of DeFi dApps only really have a web platform, so it's a pretty important improvement and a great observation that the YLD.app can provide crypto investment tools on your smartphone. But that being said, YLD.app still provides its users one of the secrets of DeFi protocols. This is the accumulation of interest on a daily basis, which means that users can start getting profits really from the first day that they start using it, and availability to your assets 24/7 with a minimum investment of only $100. You also have a number of fantastic features, such as in-app conversions between all the digital assets, transactional records, an activity log, and a fiat on-ramp to buy digital assets directly on the platform. Finally, YLD.app has auto-deploy and auto-compound features. So this means every deposit will be automatically deployed, and you can earn rewards and compounded interest daily. YLD.app is built by highly experienced experts from around the globe with experience in fintech, traditional finance, asset management, and the digital asset sector. And the YLD.app team has a proven track record of success both in fintech and traditional finance. For example, Tim Frost, the CEO of YLD.app, was co-founder of Yrex and had a senior position at Equibank. YLD.app also has some very notable partners, real leaders in the crypto ecosystem. We're talking about names like X21, TrustSwap, Age Crypto Asset Investment Fund, and others. Let's talk about opening an account. The first thing you need to do, of course, is create a new account and pass through the KYC or Know Your Customer process. You'll need to complete KYC level 2 to be able to earn on your digital assets. If you don't complete KYC level 2, your digital assets will not earn rewards as of the 1st of April 2022. And you can see why it's necessary to complete KYC 2 in YLD.app's recent blog, shown here. We'll leave the sign up and KYC guideline links in the description below. You can use the 2FA verification to make your account more secure as well. Then, after verifying your account, you can deposit USDC, USDT, BTC, ETH, and YLD into your wallet. You can do that from MetaMask, and we'll leave a guide about that in the description. Next, you can access the portfolios to earn rewards on your digital assets. Simply click Earn from the dashboard or portfolio section, then the amount, and you're done. Let's talk about some of the different investment plans that are available. The YLD.app has 6 investment portfolios. These are based on Bitcoin, where you get 8% per annum. That's 3 to 5% in Bitcoin and 1 to 3% in YLD. Then there's another portfolio based on Ethereum. Here you have 8% per annum. That's 3 to 5% in ETH and also 1 to 3% in YLD. Then you have 3 different stables: DAI, USDC, and USDT. This is 14% per annum, 7 to 11% of which is in the stable and 1 to 3% of which is in YLD. And finally, there's a YLD plan, 0 to 6% on stake and 12% PA with the lockup membership reward program. However, these yields depend on the tier that you apply to. YLD has 4 membership tiers, which depend on how many YLD tokens you stake. There's the bronze tier. First of all, this is for holders that have between 0 and 999 YLD. Then you have the silver tier. This is from 1,000 to 9,999 YLD. The gold tier, that's reserved for holders of 10,000 to 19,999 YLD. And finally, the most exclusive tier is the diamond tier for 20,000 plus holders of YLD. YLD has been very open about how they pay their customers annual yields. YLD delivers quarterly reports that include a comprehensive part of portfolio management. Therefore, YLD has hired Armanino, one of the top independent accounting and auditing companies in the US, to undertake an in-depth audit of its operations. Let's talk now a little bit about the native token of YLD, YLD. It lets its holders boost earnings by moving customers through the tiers. For example, if you stake 20,000 YLD, you will receive 6% on YLD plus the highest possible rewards on your other digital assets. Moreover, at the time of making this video, the price of YLD is about 24 cents with a market cap of $35.6 million, and that comes with a 24-hour trading volume of about $707,000. Also, the circulating and total supply is at 145.7 and 300 million tokens, respectively. YLD also allows you to lock up YLD for 12 months to receive 12% on your tokens. So far, more than 75 million tokens were locked up by customers, which shows the great loyalty and trust people have in the platform. In addition, you can buy YLD on 1inch, AscendEX, BitThumb Global, Bittrex Global, Gate.io, KuCoin, SushiSwap, Uniswap, or QuickSwap. And YLD, of course, follows regulations. It is a licensed fintech company in Estonia as a provider of virtual currency. These guys have definitely been in the news recently. YLD is now the official sponsor of the Bitcoin Conference 2022 in Miami, which of course is a very high-profile event. More than 75 million YLD have already been locked in the YLD app. And YLD has entered the metaverse by developing digital sneakers represented by NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which can be used in a metaverse. This is thanks to their partnership with swappable NFTs. As far as this year's roadmap goes, YLD is working hard at developing the much-anticipated mobile app for both Android and iOS. There's a great referral program which will allow loyal customers to earn additional YLD rewards. And finally, YLD also intends to offer a card allowing consumers to deposit and withdraw straight to their bank accounts. As you guys can see, YLD is an innovative digital wealth platform that bridges the worlds of traditional and digital assets. YLD allows customers to earn passive income on some of the world's most popular digital assets. So if you want a secure and passive income, this is a very serious platform that you should probably consider. Best of luck, members of the Altcoin Buzz army, if you do choose to invest. If you're still watching this video, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. Stay safe out there, everyone. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.